Are you tired of manually searching for Amazon affiliate product URLs? It can be a hassle, especially when you want to streamline your process. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're diving into how to get those URLs programmatically. I totally understand your frustration. Manually logging into the affiliate program and navigating through product links can be time-consuming. You're not alone in wanting a more efficient way to do this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to get Amazon product affiliate URLs programmatically using the ASIN, access key, Amazon secret key, and their associate tag. If you're looking for the same solution, you're in the right place. So what's the issue here? The Amazon affiliate program requires you to log in to access product links, which can be a barrier for many. But with the right approach, you can bypass this and automate the process. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a crucial tip at the end that will make your affiliate marketing efforts even more effective. To begin, the user needs to set up their environment by installing the Amazon Product Advertising API SDK. This SDK will allow them to interact with Amazon services programmatically. Next, the user should configure their credentials. This includes their access key, secret key, and associate tag. These credentials are essential for authenticating requests to the API. Now the user can create a function to retrieve the product URL using the ASIN. This function will make a request to the Amazon API and return the affiliate link. Finally, the user should test their function by passing a valid ASIN. This will allow them to verify that they can successfully retrieve the affiliate product URL. Fun fact: did you know that the Amazon affiliate program is one of the oldest and most successful affiliate programs out there? It's been helping people earn money online for over 2 decades. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to utilize the Product Advertising API provided by Amazon. This API allows you to programmatically generate affiliate product links using the product's ASIN, your access key, secret key, and associate tag. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always keep your access keys secure and rotate them regularly. This not only keeps your account safe, but also ensures your links remain functional. And there you have it. You can now programmatically get Amazon affiliate product URLs with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing.